What's up? What's poppin'? What's crack-a-lackin', y'all? It's luh.ting, and I'm back at it with another video. You already know the vibes. So for today's video, I decided that I kind of just wanted to let you guys in on a little tips and tricks for making sure that you have the longest duration to wear your eyelashes. I know that that's kind of what the brag rates are for lashes nowadays, is like to make sure that your lashes, the quality, that you can wear them more than once and you can wear them multiple times without them being able to be totally obliterated to the point you can't wear them anymore. I'm going to put you guys on how to properly take care of your lashes to make sure that you can have them for a long time, for multiple wears. So the first thing that we're going to do with these lashes, these are from my store. These are in the style Sassy, but these, I've worn them a couple times. So you see how they're, you know, the volume's not there, they're flattened out. So now I'm going to take them and I'm going to wash them just with some, you can try like baby soap. I'll show you guys some baby soap that I use, or just any type of soap. Try not to have soap that has a lot of oil in it, because when there's oil in it, then it will make your lashes, it'll be a different texture for your lashes and you're not gonna like it. So first things first, we're going to do is we're going to go put these and wash them, and I'll show you guys how I wash them right now. Okay, so there's going to be a few things you need, and I'll show you everything that you're going to need right now. So you can go out and buy this literally at Walmart for like $1, I think. It's the Johnson's baby soap. And this is really good. I used to use this for my lash extensions when I wash my lash extensions, but lash extensions were not for me, so I stopped getting them because I really like my strip lashes better. So what I'm going to do is, just so you guys can see the clear container, you put the lashes in the container, you know, get a little bit of the soap. We're gonna put a little bit of the soap in here. It's not gonna be anything too crazy. They're gonna be really sudsed up. So you guys see that I put some soap in there. And then you can use mild water. It doesn't really matter, honestly, but the warm water really can work the glue off the lashes if you've worn them a few times. Okay, so I just poured the water over my leg. That's okay. So I'm going to go in, let them, they're like not sudsing up yet, and if they don't suds up right away, you can always go put more soap in them, but I just don't like to get them really soaped up because then it's kind of hard to get all the soap out. Yeah, hello, say hi to my cat. Yeah, next, really. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more soap to these, just because, like, I don't know, it's not sudsing up how I expected it to. All right, that's good. I don't really need a lot of soap because I see it. I see the suds. So you're gonna see like the grit and the dirt come off of them, and it's really okay. We're gonna take a quick break because he's gotta go. He's just a love bug. He just wants attention. He sees the light on and he sees the camera. He knows what I'm doing and he wants to come chill. I swear, he knows what I'm doing. So, see, video, I want to be a part of it. So yeah, just get them. And then like, I see like crust. It's gross. I see, then you'll see like this like particles floating around. But just to make it a little bit more sudsy, I'll put a little bit more soap in there. Crazy. Let me just show you guys what it looks like right now. Yeah, so then I'm going to take the lash itself and I'm kind of just going to grab it out and just brush it. Like brush it with the water. I'm not sure if you guys can really see what I'm doing. But just brush the lash. Brush the soap through it, get everything that you need through. And then what I'm going to do after is I'm going to dump out and rinse the lashes in regular water. Let's just see what it looks like when I tried to grab the glue off. There wasn't really much glue on here, but the glue should come right off. And it's hard for me because I have nails on, but the glue, it should be coming off. It may be easier to do it with tweezers, which I might go get some right now. So, okay, like I said before, it might be a little bit easier with tweezers. So I'm just gonna go through and I'll come a little bit closer to the camera so you guys can see. You see the excess glue. You kind of you don't want that on there. And like I said, I didn't use really extremely hot water, but like when you use hot water, it's a little bit easier to get the glue off. And I'm having trouble, so I'm just gonna sit down and do this process. And after I get all the glue off, I will show you guys my application, and then I will show you guys how I get them to be voluminous, because I'm telling you, this is the secret. Not just washing them, but this other secret I have, bomb. Maybe it's not a secret, but I just found it out, so it's a secret to me. So after I'm done picking the glue off and rinsing these off, I'm going to let them, you can either let them air dry or you can blow dry them. Just because I have to go to work, I'm going to blow dry them. I wouldn't blow dry them too high, but yeah, just because I have to go to work, we're gonna do a little tweaking. So yeah, so y'all see these lashes right now. I just want y'all to see them because they're like floppy, wet, big spiders, you know. That's what they look like right now. And yeah, we're about to do a whole transformation, so let's see. Another thing that I did want to tell you guys is, if you are deciding to air dry the lashes, make sure that you put the wet lashes in a good form. Don't let them just, because however they dry is how they're going to look. So yeah, so make sure that you put them out and put them on a napkin and just like see how you, like if you let this one, you see this one has the eye band, but then you see this one is like really flat. You want to make sure that you're gonna get it so it has that curve. Even better if you have a lash case, which this comes in handy a lot, which you can go purchase it on my website right now at www.mosemogul.com. Yeah, like that obviously mine just has LED light. This is really old actually. Like I've had this for a while and it's really broke down. But you can put the lashes on the vanity and just let it sit there to dry. But I like to get mine, like dry them with the napkin just so they dry a little bit faster when they air dry. But like I said, I'm gonna do this with the blow dryer and then we are going to apply. So I shall return. Okay, and here they are. They're a little bit more voluminous than what they were obviously when we started off. But I have a trick to get them even more pumped up there. So, because yeah, I'm gonna put you onto some tea right here, right now. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with roller lash and benefit. Full sample size, you know. I'm just gonna go in, nothing crazy, nothing too, not mad coats of it. Just real simple. Because I have a trick after this that's really gonna help. Okay, so I'm showing you guys, this is my eyelash curler. I bought this for like $5. I'm sure there's better ones out there, but this one's just perfectly fine for me. Like I said, I bought this for $5. It's a Westinghouse eyelash curler. Like I said, probably more expensive ones out there, but $5 is a snack, so we gonna deal with that, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to apply the glue to my lashes. I don't need to show y'all how I do that because I already have 2 whole videos on my channel on how to do that. So I'm going to do that right now, apply these, and then I'm going to curl these bad boys, and we will show you the final look. So, thing is, I put the wrong eyelash on, but I'm not switching it. So, this is really supposed to be the left lash. This is the right lash, but I don't care. It's just gonna have to be whatever for today. Because, I mean, I'm not taking this off, then having to put, no. If you're a lash wearer, you might know the struggle. I don't know. Maybe you're not as slow as I am. I know. And so you still see how they're kind of flat, even with the mascara and the wash. But that's what this handy dandy. It's hot. Ooh, it's really hot. It's hot because these aren't really. So y'all are gonna see. So maybe for this, maybe I'll do it for this one because this one you see it's kind of like good. So I'm doing my left hand. Alright, hold on. Let me make sure this is all the way on my eyelash. Okay, so after I'm done doing all of this, I will show you guys the final look of these lashes. And voila, look at that. What? Doesn't this look like some lash extensions? I know. You're not gonna tell me. If I actually would put them on the right side, you know, like this is really the left lash and this is really the right lash. But it's okay, I made it work, so that's all that matters. So, but I hope that this was helpful. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Be interactive in my comments because I will comment back and talk with you. And make sure that you hit the sub button right here and make sure you turn on the post notifications to be notified every single time that I post, because why wouldn't you want to be notified every time I post? Come on. Come on. So, yes. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for getting to this point if you got to this point. Because I don't know if anybody makes this point to my video. So, thank you. You're a soldier. So, I will be back soon with another video. And make sure that y'all stay safe and y'all stay blessed. And yeah, bye.